Welcome to another episode of Hardcat Feature Focus. In this episode, we'll be looking at the Hardcat MiCat Applications Maintenance feature. MiCat Maintenance has three functions: work order list, scan barcode, and update units. Now let's look at the three features. First of all, let's open work order list. Of the three options in the work order list, by default it is shown on the Mine option. The other options available to the users are all work orders in Hardcat, as well as locations. Using the locations function, you can drill down to a particular location to see which work orders are at that particular location. From the work order list screen, you can create a new work order simply by clicking the plus button. From here we can add a work order description. We can set a service date, a service time. We can also associate it to an asset. And this can be as simple as scanning the asset's barcode and then pressing OK. With the asset now selected, it has brought up the asset description, the condition of the asset, and from here now we can add in the more text details. It also has brought through the location of the asset as well. We can now assign an engineer to complete the work. We can set the status of the work order. We can set the priority of the work order, and if required, we can assign a preset class. From here, we can now press save to send the work order back to Hardcat so it's created in the Hardcat system. If necessary now, we can go and create a new action. We can populate the presets, or we could upload files. If this was a pre-existing work order, we would see any files that were attached to the original work order. Within the maintenance function, we also have scan barcodes and update units. Let's check out the scan barcodes function. This function allows you to scan an asset's barcode, and this will present to the user all current open work orders for that asset. The third option is update units. From here, you can scan an asset's barcode. Here we can now go and update the odometer reading, the months or the quarterly number value for this particular asset. This function is very convenient for organizations that have motor vehicles to allow their drivers to update the units in field. Once you've updated the unit value, simply press save, and that then sends the unit value back to Hardcat. Thank you for watching this episode of Hardcat Feature Focus. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Hardcat support or the Hardcat sales team at support@hardcat.com or sales@hardcat.com. Or please visit our website at www.hardcat.com.